Hello and welcome to the study of formula and the variation. Here you are given that y is inversely proportional to x power n and the k is the constant of proportionality. You are required to write down a formula connecting x and y. So you are told that y is inversely proportional to x power n. And you are given that k is the constant of proportionality. So what you do, this will be written as y is equal to k over x power n. That is the formula which connects x and y. Part B of this equation, you are given that if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 12, so first of all, we substitute in this equation. Condition A, we are applying condition A whereby we are given y is 12, y is equal to 12, which is equal to k over our x is 2, so you have 2 power n. The other condition, we are told to write down two expressions for k in terms of n. In terms of n, hence find the value of k and n. So in this here, in this first case here, k will be equal to 2 power n multiplied by 12, and the other one, you are given that y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 4, so 4 power n, which implies that k is equal to 4 power n multiplied by 3. So these are the two expressions which connect k or whereby k is in terms of n. Now from this two and this one, we can find the value of k. So now from this equation, you can call this equation A and this equation B. We can divide equation B over A. When we do that, on the right hand side, we are going to have 4 power n multiplied by 3 divided by 2 power n multiplied by 12 is equal to 1. K divided by k will give you 1. Next, by the laws of indices, we are going to have 2 power 2n divided by 2 power n. We write it this way instead of over, multiplied by 1 over 4, which is equal to 1. Then by laws of indices, we are going to have 2 power 2n minus n, which is equal to, you take 4 the other side and you write it in power form. 2 squared is the same as 4. This 4 here, whereby multiplied by 4 both sides. So I have applied the rule of indices here, which tells you that if the bases here are equal, then and you are dividing, you can subtract the powers, the index. So that is why I have written here 2n minus n. This 2 power 2n, it is from here. 4 power n can be written as 2 power 2n. It is the same thing. Then instead of over, I have written divide by. Then here by 3, 1 by 3, 12 by 3 is 4. And I multiplied both sides by 4 and written 4 in the index form. Then when the bases here are equal, we equate the index. So we are going to have 2. We shall have 2n minus n is equal to 2. So 2n minus n will give you n, which is equal to 2. So our value of n is 2. Then we come here and obtain the value of k. So we are given k is equal to 4 power n multiplied by 3, which is equal to 2n multiplied by 12. So we have obtained our n as 4. So this is 4 power 2 multiplied by 3, which is the same as 2 power 2 multiplied by 12. And of course, this is giving you 48. 48. So we can check our working. K is equal to 2 power n multiplied by 12, which is equal to 2 power 2 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 4 times 12, which is equal to 48. The other bit is k is equal to 4 power n multiplied by 3, which is equal to 4 power 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal. The dot here stands for multiplication. So you have 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 1 plus 4, 4. So our k is equal to 48, and our n is equal to 2 by making use of the laws of indices, which is being tested here. Now, finally, the other part of this equation, part B, you are told that using the value of n obtained in the A above, find y when x is equal to this. Now, remember our equation was y is equal to k. So we have obtained our k is 48, and we have obtained our n. So x power, our n is 2. So the question is, you find the value of y when x is equal to this. Now, this value of x here can be written in terms of improper fraction as 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16 over 3. This is the same as 16 over 3. So we come here and substitute. Here we are going to have 48 divided by 16 over 3. We square this part squared. So y is equal to 48 divided by 16 squared over 3 squared, which is equal to 48 multiplied by 3. We take reciprocal of 16 squared over 3 squared is 3 squared, which is the same as 3 times 3 multiplied by over 16 times 16. Then you simplify this. So simplifying this part here, it is going to give you, this part here will give you, by 16 here we are going to get 3 by 16 1. Then you start have 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27 over 16. 27 over 16, which is the same as 1 and 11 over 16. It is our value of y. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on formulas and variation. On more such questions, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together. Remember also to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day concerning algebra and the other part of mathematics. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation.